Hey guys, Payphone 1 3. I gotta load up. I probably will make a video on phone one. I probably make a video on Monday. I'll probably make a video on Monday, probably, because this probably is a video for Monday. Oh, that's wrong. This probably is video for making Monday. Probably not. Probably is. Don't know. Probably is my making another video. I'm just playing right now. I was thinking like, oh, my sister's asleep. It's quiet. The house is quiet. I can make a video. Oh. Oh, that's not fair. Okay, guys. Uh, Phone 3 is very good game. Super good game. That's not fair at all. Fourth place though. I'm a gamer. I should not be in first place. I ain't a good gamer. I ain't played Phone 3 a long time. Super long time. Like, and y'all don't know that I have another channel. Not phone one. I have another channel. Peter Piper 12. Y'all could look that up, and y'all should be seeing. Y'all should be seeing my channel fire. It's like a fire mode. My character is like a fire one. Mine's like a fire. Like my picture on my YouTube channel is like a fire one with a smiley face on it. Y'all could just look that up. Y'all could look my channel up, subscribe to that channel, cause I really love that channel. I love this channel too. Peter Piper 13. Kind of like a second YouTuber for my YouTube channel. I'll probably play Phone 1 for a long time. Cause I like Phone 1 actually. Never did play Phone 1 on my YouTube channel. I mostly play the other game. Not Clash Royale. Oh. I like it when it edited when you die. On 413, like a stone come on you. A stone come and ghost go up in the air. Then when you die, your ghost go up and a stone come from you. Then like ribs and steak come out your body. Just like a 413. You die. Seeing like meat, chicken, and all that. I wish a Phone 1. I like Phone 1 3 graphics. As my dog's barking. I like a Phone 1 3 graphics. I like it really much, really good. Ain't no big deal about Phone 1 3 matches. Phone 1 2 matches. The graphics, it did good when they probably took a little bit too far. It feels like it's just too much color in it. Like, way too much color in it. Yeah, it feels like it's too much color in it. Look at it. Look at Phone 1 2. It just looks like too much color in it. It's too much stuff in it. Y'all could what? Y'all could try to a Night Owl channel as Badass Gaming. That's his YouTube channel. I mostly call him Night Owl. Night Owl H Hilarious, cartoons, Sumail Logan, Child Wildcat, and the other, what's the other people called? I got more YouTubers, so I just get their names so like really fast. Wow, that was my friends. I'll hit you again with a thunderbolt. Right now, especially. Oh shit. I like. Wait, what was my phone on? I don't know. I'm sorry for the phone thing. First place. Oh, that's not fair. I should have jumped while worrying about whoever getting first place. Total bull crap. Why make a heli videos, a lot of videos? I will show my face. Actually, I could show my face right now. Actually, I'm gonna show my face because nobody watching. It's not like, oh, everybody saw Sean. No, nobody gonna be like, I'll show my face. Yes, I will. I have acting too. That's raw. It got good graphics in it. Like, really good graphics. Oh, emoji's raw now. Where's mine? Right here. Emojis right here. Right here. Alright. Sorry for a shirt off. That's good enough. I want to leave this game. Alright, this is how I look. It probably be too much graphics in it, like too much. Oh, I need to get in first place. I would even need to get in first place. I'm in 7th place. This is graphic like lagging. I'm gonna get Xbox Live. Man, this day right here. Probably about to play it. Play Titanfall. No, I got a better fly on it. No, bro, no. I'm not dying. I'm not dying. No. Shit. I'm a bad player while playing this. I like to play it though, because I got 8 people in it. It went slow though. See how a chicken wings pop out thing when he die. I'm gonna add people whoever look raw. Whoever look no. Whoever look raw. whoever look like whoever look raw or something like that. I mostly just do that. Like whoever look. Yeah, it's a light right here. Whoever look raw on a whoever look raw or whoever got in first place, I mostly add them people. It's played. What minutes I did? 10 minutes. After this game out with quick, I probably make or inside weekends, like inside a week, I probably be making videos probably. And Monday and Friday I will be making videos. I probably will upload this video on Monday or today. I don't know. I probably will be making on. I don't know. Should I make it on Monday? Should I upload this video on Monday or like? Alright, that's the reason. I don't know. Like, don't know. Don't know at all. Don't know why I don't know. Gotta get in that second place or third place. I know what's going slow. Alright, see y'all later. Subscribe to my channel.